In this video, I will show you how to use the text to image. First, starts by typing Bing AI generator. Then enter the website. Click on join and create. Logging with Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account, click on create one to create one. After logging it, will look like this. Then you can create the image according to your needs. Now right here, how to want to create an image. For example, I am writing a boy on the sea beach. Or I write a boy on Mars. Hope you understand. If you like it, you can like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.